Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 everyone. Happy blessed Saturday, everyone. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat tayo sa buong may kapal dahil okay naman tayo. Healthy and beautiful. Walang buzzers. I hope everybody's doing good. How is everybody? Thank you, God. Thanks, Allah, because we are okay. We are fine and healthy and beautiful. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Saan man sulok ng mundo. Shout out everyone, to all my loyal subscribers. Thank you so much to all my to those who supporting my simple channel, simple videos in my simple videos. Thank you so much, guys. Today is July 7, ba? July 6, 2024. Malapit ng next year. By the way, belated happy birthday to my sisi Koy. Agad at Conce. Belated happy birthday. And shout out all of you guys. Thank you so much sa mga sumusupport sa akin dito sa small YouTube ko. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of you guys for supporting me here. And even though my small channel, very small, but you know what? And 3 years now, 3 years from now, monetize my channel. I donated already 10 Maolocaster in the Philippines and one what do you call that? I donate the one I forget. But all in all, like 11 Maolocaster I donated, and I give some little bit cash to the poor people like me. So now this coming December, I am choosing again. I want to donate again 1 Maolocaster who's supporting my channel. I am writing you guys. I'm counting up to 30 comments. If you did that 30 comments, you have 1 Maolocaster donated by me this coming December Christmas. And I will give also GCash, 5,000 GCash cash. Who will win and who's supporting me here, I will choose, and I count how many comments you are. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, yung mga nanonood? Kung hindi ka nanonood, hindi ko sasabihin sa personal, dito lang, so that I know that you're supporting me. Sister ko is Princess Freya, shout out all the way from Kuwait City. Sisi ko is Shali Estrada, very supportive, all the way from Italy. To all my sisi ko, shout out to all of you guys, and to all my loyal supporters, subscribers worldwide. Mel City, thank you sa pag-guest mo sa akin kagabi. I'm very happy. And Holy Marie, shout out. Told your music art, shout out. And Coach Hamwing, TV, my old team. Likas SGM, Agdagdag at Concept. buhay niya nasa Pilipinas. Wow! Nasa resort. Nasa resort si Sisikoy. Job Sinaway sa Pilipinas. Enjoy your vacation, my Sisikoy. Love you. And isang namimiss ko na ating Sisikoy, si Sisikoy Good Vibes Marie. And shout out ko din ang aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlad. Aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Rachel De La Vega. And siyempre to all my siblings, to all my whole family, and to all my friends here in Wide World, and to all my loyal supporters. Shout out everyone. I love you all, guys. Thank you for supporting my small channel and simple videos na walang silbi ng mga videos. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all, guys. And syempre, aking anak-anakan sa White World, Nel Jong Vlog, syempre, aking anak-anakan sa White World. And sino pa? Lady Tulipa Tulip, shout out. Lady Tulipa Tulip, shout out. Gandang babae pinagpala, shout out. Sisikoy Mayet sa channel, Wilms channel, shout out. And Zoil TV, shout out. Macho Wellington, shout out also. Thank you for your support. Kalimutan ko lang dito. Ayesha na 89, shout out. Ayesha na 89, shout out. And shout out to all of you guys. Thank you. And take note, this coming December, I will donate Maonok Casper. Siyempre yung manalo. Kung nanonood kayo, ha. And also 5,000 gigas. Yeah. So ano pang hinintay nyo? Support Rose the Melon Vlog. I am writing your name and I'm reading all the time the comments below. Who's always supporting me. Thank you. And God bless us. God bless us. Rose the Melon Vlog. Ramay mo, dahil direct ko no mabalik.